It's not quite a fox, and it's certainly not a wolf. Meet the maned wolf, one of South America's most striking and mysterious creatures. Standing about 3 feet tall at the shoulder, with long black legs, towering ears, and a bright reddish body, the maned wolf might remind you of a fox on stilts. But genetic studies reveal that it's neither fox nor wolf. In fact, it's a species entirely its own, the sole member of the genus Chrysocyan, a truly unique specimen of evolution. Native to the savannas, grasslands, and wetlands of South America, maned wolves range through countries like Argentina, Brazil, Paraguay, Peru, and Bolivia. Their home is the Cerrado biome, a landscape of endless horizons dotted with tall grasses, marshes, and the occasional forest. These towering legs of theirs aren't just for show. They've been perfectly evolved to help the maned wolf wade through the mazes of grass, giving them the ability to see over and hunt within this dense habitat. Maned wolves live solitary lives, often avoiding the heavier competition from local predators like pumas, jaguars, and crab-eating foxes. Despite their size, caution is key. Only the powerful puma and, sadly, domestic dogs have ever been reported to prey on them. Still, these animals are highly resourceful and omnivorous hunters. Their diet is a curious mix of fruits, vegetables, and small mammals. One fruit is particularly important, the lobeira, or fruit of the wolf, a tomato-like berry that makes up nearly half their diet. When on the hunt for prey, maned wolves listen intently, swiveling their large ears to detect movement in the grass. A sudden tap of their paw flushes the animal from hiding, followed by their pouncing leap to catch it, a move that rivals any Olympic gymnast. These silent hunters may live alone, but they are far from antisocial. Maned wolves are monogamous, with pairs sharing a vast territory of about 10 square miles. Though they may not see each other often, their communication is unmistakable. They don't howl like wolves, but instead emit loud roar barks, high, booming calls that sound somewhere between a growl and a bark. These vocalizations help partners locate each other across long distances and warn rivals to stay away. When it comes to family life, maned wolves have a unique rhythm of reproduction. Females have a short breeding window, just 5 days each year, typically between April and June. After 65 days of gestation, a litter of 1 to 5 pups is born. For the next month, the pups rely on their mother's milk, but soon the adults introduce regurgitated food. And while it's the females that take on most of the parenting duties, evidence suggests males lend a hand too, bringing food to the growing pups. Within a year, the young wolves strike out on their own, ready to begin life in the wild. But life in the savanna comes with its challenges. With habitat loss and competition from human activities, the maned wolf's future is often caught in the balance. Yet this striking creature remains an emblem of resilience, a towering sentinel of South America's plains. So next time you imagine the wilds of the Cerrado, picture the maned wolf, a silent hunter, a gentle communicator, and the long-legged fox who is not a fox standing tall against the grasses, keeping watch as the winds whisper across the plains.